Frogs have been part of traditional industries for decades. Each step here is controlled, precise, and essential to maintaining quality.
Every frog is carefully inspected before processing. Quality and ethical handling are our top priorities in every step.
Once inspected, frogs are carefully placed on processing tables, separating meat from skin in a precise, controlled workflow.
At the processing tables, frog meat is separated efficiently, maintaining hygiene and precision at every step.
Frog skins are handled carefully, separated, and prepared for quality leather production, preserving their natural texture.
Inside the tanning machines, frog skins are treated carefully, preserving their natural patterns and preparing them for high-quality leather production.
Tanned frog skins are carefully removed from machines.
Inside the factory, frog skins undergo final precision cleaning, ensuring purity and consistency before advanced processing begins.
Specialized chemical treatment softens frog skins, stabilizing their structure and preparing them for the next phase of premium leather processing. Specialized chemical treatment softens frog skins, stabilizing their structure and preparing them for the next phase of premium leather processing. During tanning, frog skins are transformed into durable leather, strengthening their fibers while preserving natural flexibility.
And arranged on drying racks, preserving their patterns and preparing for leather production.
Skins are left to dry naturally, while workers carefully monitor quality, ensuring each piece retains its unique pattern and texture. Frog skins are carefully moved into tanning machines, where controlled processes preserve texture and quality. Each frog skin is carefully cleaned and arranged, ready for tanning, ensuring quality and preserving natural texture.
Controlled drying removes excess moisture, stabilizing the leather and preserving its strength, texture, and flexibility.
Surface smoothing and buffing refine the leather, enhancing texture, consistency, and the natural character of the material. Carefully controlled dyeing gives frog leather its rich color, ensuring deep absorption and a consistent luxury finish. Tanned frog skins are now ready for manufacturing, carefully inspected and organized for creating high-quality jackets, bags, booths, and caps. Workers carefully cut each tanned skin into precise pieces, preparing them for stitching into jackets, booths, bags, and caps. Every assembled product undergoes careful quality checks, ensuring seams are secure and natural patterns remain intact.
Finished products are carefully organized and labeled, ensuring every jacket, boot, bag, and cap is ready for packaging and delivery.
Finished jackets, boots, bags, and caps are carefully packed into boxes. Skilled workers stitch each piece of frog skin into jackets, boots, bags, and caps, ensuring durability and maintaining natural patterns.
Packed boxes of jackets, boots, bags, and caps are carefully moved to storage or the loading area, ready for distribution worldwide.
Every leather sheet is carefully inspected, ensuring only premium quality material passes to the final manufacturing stage. A protective coating seals the leather surface, improving durability while preserving flexibility and natural texture.
Skilled workers stitch and assemble each leather component, transforming premium frog leather into luxury jackets, bags, boots, and caps. Each frog leather jacket undergoes careful inspection and polishing, enhancing texture, shine, and luxury quality before packaging.
Each frog leather bag is meticulously stitched, assembled, and polished, ensuring durability, elegance, and premium finish.
Each frog leather boot is carefully stitched, polished, and finished, ensuring strength, flexibility, and premium quality.
Each frog leather cap is carefully stitched, molded, and polished, ensuring elegance, durability, and luxury quality.
Each product, from jackets and bags to boots and caps, showcases the meticulous craftsmanship and premium quality of Wild Skin Workshop.
As the day ends, every piece of frog leather stands perfected, and the skilled hands of Wild Skin Workshop workers.
Each product highlights the meticulous craftsmanship and luxury quality of Wild Skin Workshop, with every detail reflecting precision and authenticity.
From careful processing to meticulous craftsmanship, every product at Wild Skin Workshop reflects our commitment to quality, luxury, and authenticity.
Finished products are stored and organized systematically, ensuring safe handling and precise shipment from the Wild Skin Workshop warehouse.
Each product is carefully packaged and branded, preserving its quality and reflecting the premium standards of Wild Skin Workshop.
Skilled workers stitch and assemble each leather component, transforming premium frog leather into luxury jackets, bags, boots, and caps. Boxes of jackets, boots, bags, and caps are carefully stored and organized in distribution center racks for efficient inventory management and quick dispatch. Verified pallets of jackets, boots, bags, and caps are carefully moved to the dispatch zone, ready for final loading and delivery. Workers conduct careful inventory checks, ensuring every jacket, boot, bag, and cap is accurately accounted for and prepared for dispatch. Verified pallets of jackets, boots, bags, and caps are carefully loaded onto trucks, ensuring safe transport to distributors and stores. Trucks depart the dispatch zone, carrying jackets, boots, bags, and caps safely to distribution points across the country.
Trucks travel safely along highways, transporting jackets, boots, bags, and caps toward distribution points across the region.
Trucks arrive at regional distribution points, delivering pallets of jackets, boots, bags, and caps for organized unloading and storage.
At regional distribution centers, pallets of jackets, boots, bags, and caps are carefully unloaded.
Products are carefully sorted and placed into regional storage racks, ensuring organized inventory and quick access for future distribution. Trucks arrive at the distribution center, and boxes of jackets, boots, bags, and caps are carefully unloaded for storage and further dispatch.
Orders from retailers and distributors are received and verified, initiating the next phase of organized product dispatch.
Order instructions are delivered to the warehouse team, guiding precise picking of jackets, boots, bags, and caps for dispatch.
Warehouse teams begin picking jackets, boots, bags, and caps from storage racks, following precise order instructions.
Picked items are consolidated onto pallets, forming complete orders ready for secure packaging and dispatch.
Each order is securely shrink-wrapped, protecting the products and preparing them for safe transportation. Sealed pallets are transferred to the outbound dispatch area, organized and ready for loading onto delivery trucks. Prepared pallets are carefully loaded onto delivery trucks, secured and organized for safe transport to their destinations.
Delivery trucks depart the warehouse, carrying finished products toward retailers and distributors across multiple regions.
Delivery trucks arrive at retailer and distributor locations, carrying jackets, boots, bags, and caps ready for unloading. Wildskin Workshop trucks travel safely along urban streets and rural roads, transporting jackets, booths, bags. Each small accessory, from wallets to keychains, is carefully crafted and polished, reflecting the premium quality of Wildskin Workshop.
Each accessory is thoughtfully packaged and branded, preserving its premium quality and reflecting the luxury standards of Wildskin Workshop.
From jackets and boots to caps, bags, and accessories, Wildskin Workshop showcases the full range of meticulously crafted luxury products. Finished accessories are systematically stored and prepared for shipment, maintaining the premium quality and luxury standards of Wildskin Workshop. Each product undergoes meticulous inspection and certification, ensuring it meets the premium standards and authenticity of Wildskin Workshop.
Every product is carefully loaded for shipment, ensuring it reaches customers in perfect condition.
Every product is carefully dispatched, starting its journey to customers while preserving the premium quality and luxury standards of Wildskin Workshop.
From factory to your hands, every product is delivered with care, revealing the premium craftsmanship and luxury quality of Wildskin Workshop.
Designed for style and durability, each product enhances your everyday life with the luxury and craftsmanship of Wildskin Workshop.
Wildskin Workshop delivers unmatched craftsmanship and premium quality, turning every frog leather product into a